Hey folks, Matthew with Riverponics here. Just thought I'd give you a little update on the garden. Yeah, it's nice having some, this is a beautiful lettuce, man. My goodness, it's awesome. It's nice having two different things growing there. Those are green beans. I did trellis all that. And this stuff's all strings and trellised up. Another one over there going on. Now this cucumber plant, it's pretty amazing. This is 3 foot by 12 foot, this whole section here. And so I've been training the cucumber to kind of grow, in between and on both sides. Give it shade protection for the containers in hot days, and keeps the water cooler in the grow channels. Just all around works out real nice. There's things loaded with cucumbers. They're everywhere. There, coming all the way around. See, they cling on to anything they can. They here down the center, they grab onto the bucket handles. Here again, okay, this container, I have 3 things going on. I have another super bush tomato. Originally they said you didn't have to cage these, but you have to, because they will not stand straight up on a windstorm or any type of storm. So not real impressed with the super bush tomato. Yeah, here's got another lettuce growing with this tomato. This plant's gonna be huge too. This thing's every bit of 4 foot right here, this plant. That's a palumbo. This is like one of my favorite peppers. It's not hot or anything, it's just a nice flavor to it. It's real similar to like a green pepper. This is the biggest plant right now of them all right here, and this is a hot banana. And you can see, give you an idea. Size. I picked a lot of stuff off here, but this thing, yeah, it's pushing 4.5 foot. And of course the brewer runs on less than 60 watts. I've been using the same thing for years. All this equipment, I've been using the same equipment year after year. And it's very reliable and works like a charm. Now there's kind of a quick update, give you an idea what I got going on over here. I'm really happy with how the cucumbers worked out.